Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States. Sleep. 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 I am ready to sleep. I am ready to sleep. I am ready to sleep. Slip. 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 I am afraid I will slip. I am afraid I will slip. I am afraid I will slip. Good. 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 The movie was really good. The movie was really good. The movie was really good. Ooh, food. Ooh, food. Ooh, food. I'm craving Italian food. I'm craving Italian food. I'm craving Italian food. Eh, 10. Eh, 10. Eh, 10. We have 10 minutes left. We have 10 minutes left. We have 10 minutes left. Better. 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 You can do better than that. You can do better than that. You can do better than that. Word. 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 His word is always reliable. His word is always reliable. His word is always reliable. Or, more, or, more, or, more. Can I have some more cake? Can I have some more cake? Can I have some more cake? Tap. 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 He gave a gentle tap on the door. He gave a gentle tap on the door. He gave a gentle tap on the door. Cup. 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 She sipped from her cup of tea. She sipped from her cup of tea. She sipped from her cup of tea. R, bar, R, bar, R, bar. Let's meet at the bar. Let's meet at the bar. Let's meet at the bar. Gone. 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 The opportunity is gone. The opportunity is gone. The opportunity is gone. Ear, here, ear, here, ear, here. Can you hear the birds chirping? Can you hear the birds chirping? Can you hear the birds chirping? A, game, a, game, a, game. Let's play a game of chess. Let's play a game of chess. Let's play a game of chess. Era, pure, era, pure, era, pure. The water in the lake is pure and clean. The water in the lake is pure and clean. The water in the lake is pure and clean. Oi, toy, oi, toy, oi, toy. He bought a new toy for his son. He bought a new toy for his son. He bought a new toy for his son. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. She shook her head to say no. She shook her head to say no. She shook her head to say no. Air, where, air, where, air, where. Where is my hat? Where is my hat? Where is my hat? I, mine, I, mine, I, mine. This book is mine. This book is mine. This book is mine. Ow, how, ow, how, ow, how. How did you manage to finish so quickly? How did you manage to finish so quickly? How did you manage to finish so quickly?